Okay, let us start with the asana prayer. Sit down comfortably with your back straight. Prepare yourself for the practice of Surya Namaskara and asana. Keep your eyes closed and begin to observe your breathing. Watch your few rounds of breathing. Feel yourself you are becoming more steady, more relaxed, more calm, more than before. And bring your attention on eyebrow center. Chant the mantra Om together. Make a deep, long breath. Yogena chittasya padena vajam malam sharirasya tavedhyakena yoga karotam pravaram muninam padanjalim pranjaliranadosmi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly move your fingers, rub your palms together, make a cup shape, and apply on top of your closed eyes. Do not press your eyebrows, just place your palms and feel the warmth spreading from your palms towards your eyes. Slowly, with few blinks, open your eyes. Look into your palms. Gently prepare for Surya Namaskara, standing up for Tadasana. Sit in Samasthiti, make your body steady and fixed into the ground. Make sure your foot together, knees straight, and keep your abdomen slightly in, and keep your abdomen still, and expand your chest and ribs. And exhale, join your palms in front of your chest in Namaste. Keep your eyes closed. And visualize the beautiful sun in front of your closed eyes. And the prayer, Surya Namaskara prayer, followed by one Om. Breathe in. Om. Hiranmayena patrenam satyasya bihidam mukham tattvam bhushannam pavruno satya dharmaya drishtaye. Om. Open your eyes. 1, exhale. 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, right leg, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, hold the breath. 7, inhale. 8, exhale. 9, inhale, left leg front. 10, exhale. 11, inhale. 12, exhale. Left side, 1, exhale. 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, hold the breath. 7, inhale. 8, exhale. 9, inhale. 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Lower your hands beside your body and breathe normally. Second round, 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, right left, 5 exhale, 6 hold, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Left 1, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 hold number, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Breathe normally 3 rounds. Third round, 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Left, 1, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 hold, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. One more breathing. With the Bija mantra, Om Ram 1, Om Hrim, Om Hum, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Raha, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Left, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Om Raha. Last. Sixth round, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Om Ram. Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Raha. Relax. 6. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Raha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Raha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Raha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Raha. Relax. Separate your feet a little bit. Practice with the Ujjayi Pranayama. Pranayama and Asana together. Move your body just like a flow. Just like a moving meditation. Move your body with the mindfully with the Ujjayi Pranayama. Concentrate inside your thought. Listen the sound of your own breathing. Start. 1 exhale. 2 inhale. Exhale. 4 inhale. 5 exhale. 6 hold. Kumbhaga. 7 inhale. 8 exhale. 9 inhale. Roll your shoulder back. 10 exhale, touch your head on your knee, further down. 11 inhale, separate your feet, bend back. 12 exhale, exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 left inhale, move your finger back, exhale, 6 Kumbhaka, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, Ardha Chakrasana, 12 exhale, relax, breathe normally now. When you're doing slow, make your body more flexible, move with a deep breathing. 8th round, 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 6 Kumbhaka, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale, left exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, hold the breath, Kumbhaka. 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Breathe normally. Practice with Drishti. 1 exhale. Look at the tip of your nose. Inhale, Bhumadhya. Exhale, Nasigagra. Inhale, Bhumadhya. Exhale, Nasigagra. Kumbhaka, Andhra Inhale, Bhumadhya. Exhale, Nasigagra. Inhale, Bhumadhya. Exhale, Nasigagra. Inhale, Bhumadhya. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Kumbhaka. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Normal breathing. Next 3 rounds, we are practicing with the chakra awareness. There are 7 chakras in your body and the 6 chakras on your spinal column. So I will tell the location and the name of the chakra. First one is Mooladhara chakra on your perineum. Second one, Swadhisthana on your coccyx. Third one, Manipura behind your navel on the spinal. 4, Anahata behind your heart on your spinal. 5, Vishuddhi behind your throat pit on your spinal. And 6th one, Agna behind the eyebrow center on top of your spinal. So this is the 6 chakras on your spinal. So each posture is a different chakra. It's influence on different chakra, stimulate on different chakra. So mentally, repeat the chakra name after me. Okay, first one. 1, exhale, Anahata. 2. Inhale Vishuddhi. 3. Exhale Swadhisthana. 4. Inhale Agna, eyebrow center. Exhale Vishuddhi, throat, the awareness on throat. 6. Hold the breath, Kumbhaga, Manipura on navel. Yeah. Inhale Swadhisthana, tailbone. Exhale Vishuddhi, throat. Inhale Agna, eyebrow center. Exhale Swadhisthana, tailbone. Inhale Vishuddhi, throat, open your throat. Exhale Anahat, heart. Continue. Exhale Anahat, heart. Inhale Vishuddhi, throat. Exhale Swadhisthana, tailbone. Inhale Agna Chakra, eyebrow center. Exhale Vishuddhi, Kumbhaga, Manipura, navel. Inhale Swadhisthana, tailbone. Exhale Vishuddhi, throat. Inhale Agna, eyebrow center. Exhale Swadhisthana. Inhale Vishuddhi. Exhale Anahat. Keep your eyes closed and breathe normally. 2 more rounds. So you repeat the chakra name after me. 1. Exhale Anahat. Inhale Vishuddhi. Exhale Swadhisthana. Inhale Agna. Exhale Vishuddhi, Kumbhaga, Manipura. Inhale Swadhisthana. Exhale Vishuddhi. Inhale Agna. Exhale Swadhisthana. Inhale Vishuddhi. Exhale Anahat. Exhale Anahat. Inhale Vishuddhi. Exhale Swadhisthana. Inhale Agna. Exhale Vishuddhi. Kumbhaga, Manipura. Inhale Swadhisthana. Exhale Vishuddhi. Inhale Agna. Exhale Swadhisthana. Inhale Vishuddhi. Exhale Anahat. Breathe normally. So when you move your mind through different chakra, it's changed to prana. It's moving. You can experience the prana shakti moving through your spinal with inhale and exhale. Especially doing psychic breathing, it's ujjayi breathing. It's very helpful for practicing this chakra awareness. Practice your own. So now you know the points. The last round I will chant the mantras only. So you listen the mantra, practice with the ujjayi breathing and chakra awareness. 1. Om Mitsraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kadhaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Mitraya Namaha. Om Devaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kadhaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskara. Separate your feet. Shidila Tadasana. Now experience the prana shakti in your body. You can keep your both palms in front of your chest. Do not touch your palms is together. Just give some gap in between the palm. Just like you're holding something. It's like imagine you're holding a watermelon in your hand. And experience there is something in between your palms. Develop your awareness, intense your focus inside your palms. Experience the magnetic power in between your palms. Experience the two poles like a magnet, positive pole and negative pole. Try to bring your palms together. Feel the difficulty. It's not easy to bring your palms together. Feel the pressure in between your palms. Become more and more sensitive between your palm and experience the prana shakti within you. The prana is everywhere around your body, inside your body. Surya Namaskara will awaken the prana in your body. And after Surya Namaskara, you can easily experience this power, vital energy, especially in between your palms. The most sensitive area in your body, your fingertips, the palms. And see the quality of the prana. It can expand, it can contract. It will expand as you breathe in to expand. The prana will expand. As you exhale, you contract. Experience the expansion and contraction of the prana. Connect your prana with the breathing. Practice Ujjayi breathing, psychic breathing. As you breathe in, expand. As you exhale, contract. Continue this awareness, few more rounds. After a few rounds of practice, stop Ujjayi pranayama, Ujjayi breathing. Become aware of your natural breathing. Do breathing normally. Slowly experience the physical body, your body, standing in Shidila Tadasana. Slowly begin to move your fingers gently. Move your palms. Lower your hands down. Slowly externalize your mind and gently open your eyes. Today's asana called Mayura Asana. Mayura, you all know, is a peacock. Peacock pose. It's because it's not his look like a peacock, not because of his look like peacock. The effect is like a peacock. Peacock digestion power is very high. Similarly, when you doing this posture, our digestion capacity become more higher. So that's the name called peacock posture, Mayurasana. It's a balancing on your elbow, your whole body in a straight level, parallel to the floor. Your leg and spinal and the head should be in a straight level. So Mayurasana is, you have to preparation for Mayurasana is a Purvottanasana. Purvottanasana means stretching on your east side, the front side of the body, full stretch. It's opposite of Paschimottanasana. And Shashangasana variation is a preparation for this also. You put all the weight gradually, put your head down and gradually distribute the weight on your elbow. This is a practice for that. And of course, Bhagasana. Bhagasana help you to strengthen your arms and shoulder. Bhagasana is a basic asana practice for all the balancing. If you want to do handstand or Pinja Mayurasana, Kaundinyasana, so you have to do every day Bhagasana for strengthen your arms and shoulder. Mayurasana is actually is not need too much flexibility or not too much strength. It's mostly you need a lot of concentration and patience. So it doesn't matter you're fat or you're very slim. So thing is you can do it step by step, slowly. Like you can put if you have blocks, you can put a block under your toes, or you can keep your leg little bit elevated, like a 1 foot up for beginning. So start from the Shashangasana posture only. You have to keep your head down and your elbow completely inside. The important is the elbow should be inside. You touch your elbows together, and your fingers pointing backward. And gradually distribute the weight on the elbow and straight your leg one by one leg and then other leg, slowly straight. Make sure your elbow always 90-degree straight, not too much lean back, not too much front, 90-degree. And third step, after you secure the second one, you slowly rise your head only. This is third one. So this is also almost a similar benefit. This is we call Hamsasana. So this is almost same benefit like Mayurasana. So step 3, then step 4 is a final posture. Slowly, little bit, you can see the elbow, little bit lean forward from the 90-degree, little bit to the 85-degree, little lean forward. Then your legs slightly upward. And body should be straight line like a stick. Some people do your legs too much up. It's not good. It's actually easy, but it's not correct. You should keep your body like a straight, like a stick, straight line. And also there is a caution. You should keep your nose carefully. You put a pillow or blanket under your nose. It's easy to fall down on the front. So breathing, exhale while you rise the body from the floor. You have to do with exhalation. This posture you have to do with complete exhale. Exhale completely, then you go. Exhale, hold the breath, and you can hold the breath outside. You cannot do this with inhalation. You have to completely exhale, empty your lungs. In the beginning, you can hold the breath outside for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Afterwards, you can, once you're comfortable on the pose, you can breathe normally up to 10 breaths. So you can repeat this for five rounds. Between every round, make sure you're completely relaxed and make sure your wrist all relax. Do some wrist exercise also in between every round. And the sequence, this asana is very important. Note that you should do at the end of the asana practice. You have to finish the asana with the Mayurasana. After Mayurasana, you should not do any postures. Because there are a lot of toxic will release from your digestion system. And to the bloodstream from the digestion, from the abdomen, because a lot of pressure on the abdomen, it will release a lot of toxic to your blood. So after that, if you practicing headstand or inverted posture, it will directly affect your brain. So that's why after Mayurasana, you should relax completely in Shavasana. Then no more asanas. So Mayurasana contraindication should not practice by people with high blood pressure, heart disease, hernia, peptic ulcer. Pregnant woman strongly not advised to practice this one. Another precaution or like Shirshasana or other inverted asanas. So for women, it will be really difficult to perform Ayurasana. So you can practice Hamsasana. I told you that stage 3, that's one. That's also very good. So another thing is take care of your nose. Chance to crush your nose on the floor. So be careful. Keep some pillow under your nose, under your face. Okay. So let's start practicing slowly. You stand up and practice Utkadasana. Keep together. Okay. So in Utkadasana, this time you can do with this, separate your feet, little bit separate your feet. 1 foot distance, like this. Your hip level, like so. And keep your hands straight in front of your body. Good. Now imagine there is a chair below your buttocks. You want to sit on the chair. Like say, sit, make your thighs parallel to the floor. Stay there. Breathe normally. Breathe. 1. More down. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 6, 7. Sit down. 8, 9. Then inhale, stand up. Inhale, straight up. Exhale. Now separate your feet again, slowly. Then gradually turn your toes outside a little bit and open your hip slowly down. Exhale like this. And keep your elbow inside and push your knee out. Set your thumb on your sternum and look up. Breathe. 1, 2, straight your spine. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale, extend your hand. Exhale. Inhale, go up to Bhagasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, relax your head. Relax your head down. Breathe normally. Repeat again. Inhale, rise your heels up. Come on, rise your toes up. 1, hold the breath. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, relax your head. Breathe normally. Repeat 3 more rounds. Exhale, inhale, hold the breath, look on tip of your nose, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, relax, head down, breathe normally. Continue the practice. 2 more rounds. Bhagasana, inhale, hold the breath. Look on your nose, tip of your nose, hold. 1, 2, 3, head up. Shiva, head up. 4, 5. Exhale. Breathe normal. Relax your neck. Relax your head. Normally. Last round. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. 1. Rise your toes up. Maximum. Feel the lightness. Feel the body lightness. Lift up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go to Parvadasana. Exhale. Parvadasana. Now inhale, straight your body like a stick, Dandasana, straight line. Straight line. Look forward. Look on the floor. Keep your body straight line like a stick. Keep your knees straight. Engage your buttocks, thigh muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, Parvadasana. Exhale, Parvadasana. Exhale completely. Good. Next, inhale, straight your body to Dandasana. Inhale. Now practice the Sandolanasana variation. Distribute all the weight on your right hand and gradually lift your left hand and keep your left hand on your back. Keep your body straight line. Don't twist. Face down, chest down, chest down. Not sideways, not now, sideways. Just look down, chest face to the floor. 1, 2, buttocks down. 3, 4, straight line. And 5. Exhale. Change your hands. See, your body should not change like this, straight. Just take your hand on the back like this way. Hand on the back, 1. And switch to other side. 5 breath. 2. Another hand. 1, buttocks down. 2, straight. 3, not Parvadasana. Doing Parvadasana. 4, keep your hand on the back. 5. Exhale, now go Parvadasana. Exhale. Now we practice Samdolanasana sideways. Now use sideways. Twist your body to the right. Open your left side, left hand up. Body straight line. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again, Parvadasana. Exhale. Inhale, straight your body, Dandasana, and turn other side. Open your right side, right hand open. Keep your right foot above your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back, inhale, exhale. Parvadasana. Now slowly sit down. Down. Okay. And now you keep your hands for Purvottanasana practice. Keep your hand more back as much you can, like this. Keep your finger pointing towards your foot. Beginning, bend your knees. Exhale. Inhale. Straight your body like a table. Keep your head loose back. Inhale. And exhale slowly. Go to Paschimottanasana. A little bit bend forward. Keep your palm the same. You repeat this posture. Inhale, move forward to table. Exhale, back to the Paschimottanasana. Keep your hand the same place. Side of your hip. Exhale. Inhale, Purvottanasana. Exhale, straight your knee. Your palms come beside your buttocks. Exhale, little bend forward. Okay. So don't change your palm position. Keep your palm in the same place. Inhale. See, move your buttocks forward and upward. Exhale. So it's like a Brahmacharyasana. First, you don't touch your buttocks. Keep your buttocks up. And relax, touch your buttocks and exhale. Repeat this 10 times. Inhale up. Bend your knee. Push your buttocks forward and upward. Hold the breath. And exhale down. And experience the Brahmacharyasana. Yes. Buttocks up. And exhale back. Continue. Inhale. Hold the breath. Lift up. Don't change your leg position. Don't change your hand position. Exhale. Shiva, your legs should not change. Keep straight. And you move your, maybe depends the anatomy of your body. You can adjust your palm little back, little back. Okay. Now, exhale completely. Inhale. Don't change your foot. Inhale. Very good. Lift up. Exhale. Deeply for beginning, you bend your knee and practice. Okay. Exhale. Don't change your leg. Not now. Inhale up again. Open. Exhale down. Continue practice 5 more rounds. Inhale. Purvottanasana, stretching on the east side of your body, front side of your body. Exhale. Forward, stretching on the back. Right. Don't change your legs. Legs keep in the same position. Continue. Four more. Inhale. No. Straight your legs. Inhale. You do. You push your hip forward. Bend your yeah. That will help to open your chest. Exhale. Good. 3 more. Inhale. Very good. Exhale. Down. The way you try and bend your knee. Inhale. Bend your knee. When you inhale, don't change your feet position. Inhale. Very good. Like this is good. Exhale. Down. So after the practice, the full stretching of Purvottanasana, keep your hand the same. Keep your hand little more backward. Little more back. This time keep your knee straight and lift full straight your knee and full straight. Keep your knee straight and straight. Touch your foot flat on the floor. Exhale, bend forward. So practice with the knee straight. So you can keep your hand more further backward. Exhale. Inhale, lift up, straight. Open your chest, open your shoulder. And exhale. Small deep stretching on your hamstring. And your calf muscle also. Try with the legs straight. Keep your hand little forward backward. Good. Exhale. Exhale, little bend forward. Inhale with the knees straight. Lift up. Try to make your foot flat. Touch your toes on the floor. Toes not up, toes flat on. Keep your knees straight. Exhale. Repeat. 5 more times. Exhale. Inhale again. Lift up. No. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Purvottanasana. Very good. Okay, just touch your foot flat on the floor. Touch your toes on the floor. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. So flex your foot like forward. Point your toes forward. Inhale, point your toe forward, up, up. Exhale, down. One more round. Inhale, up. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. So this is all the practice. Make your wrist stronger, also flexible. So now you did like this. So this is a preparation for the Mayurasana. Your wrist should be point your finger backward. First you sit in 1 minute. First you sit in a Vajrasana and keep your finger point backward and elbows together. And you keep your palm as much inside you can. We practice Simha Garjasana, like inhale and exhale. You practice exhale. Try to learn how to empty your lungs. Okay, ha sound. You can practice 10 breaths. Like inhale through the nose. Exhale, flap your abdomen. Hold tight your abdomen in for 3 seconds. Then relax your abdomen. Inhale through the nose. And you look in between your eyebrows. Exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Continue. 3 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. So this is a technique for tight your abdomen. So you see, inhale, exhale, you tight your abdomen in and hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, and relax your abdomen. 2 more round. Inhale, exhale, contract your abdomen in. 1, 2, 3, relax your abdomen. Breathe. Okay, after this practice, you know how to empty, inhale, exhale, and touch your head on the floor. Just touch your head on the floor and breathe normally. Touch the crown on the floor, and from now you have to feel the weight on your elbow. You feel the weight on the elbow. Touch the crown, top, not forehead. Not forehead, crown, top of the head. And rise your buttocks little up. Then you feel you distribute the weight on your elbow. Good. Breathe normally. From now you must feel the weight on your elbow. Your elbow should be 90 degree. Crown on the head. Elbow inside, more inside. Good. Now keep your head on the floor and straight your right leg back. Straight your right leg back. Toes on the floor. One leg straight. Keep breathing normally. Good. Feel the more weight on your right elbow touch on your right abdomen down. Don't lift your buttocks up. After the weight on the elbow, straight your left legs. Keep your feet together, knees together, left leg straight. Strong elbow, strong wrist. Breathe normally, legs together, knees together, feet together. Exhale completely. Hold the breath outside. Slowly rise your head up. Head up. Be careful. Slowly up. Head up. Shiva, your hand need to be more inside. Look on the tip of your nose. Good. Breathe. 1. Now breathing. Hold the breath for 5 seconds. Good. Now inhale. Come back. Slowly touch your head. Bend your knee one by one. Come back. Good. So you watch here. Keep your hands as much inside you can. Not here, it's inside your leg. Exhale. Touch your head. From now, you feel the weight on the elbow. Take some breathing. Now, without lift your, most people make a mistake like this. They lift the leg too much. So you lose the pressure. You lose. So don't lift your leg up. Just like drag your leg back straight like this. Not like lifting from back. Feel the weight and drag. Move your toes one by one like this. Straight. Feet together. Body straight, full contract, full engage. Exhale. Slowly raise your head up. From this posture first, this is the first step. Breathing normally. You can breathe normally and just follow the breath outside. 5 seconds and come back. One. Okay, so you straighten your leg is important. Leg move on the floor, straight back. Try again. Exhale completely, touch your crown on the floor. Exhale. Crown, top of the head. Take some breath, inhale, exhale. And without lose the weight on the elbow, slowly move your right toe on the floor straight. Keep moving on the floor, right leg, then left leg. So Archana, you lose the weight. No, you lift your butt up. You always feel the weight on the elbow, then straight your leg without lift your abdomen from your elbow. Very good. Exhale completely. And Deepa, your elbow too much lean forward, not 90 degree. Your forearm not 90 degree. Come back and correct your forearm. And now correct. Now the elbow correct. Your buttocks down, more down. Stretch your leg back, more back. Good. Now exhale. Lift your head up. Lift your head up. 2, 3. Now Shiva, you're doing better. 4. Now you can lean forward. Shiva, you can lean forward. Very good. Lean forward and your elbow will press side of your navel and lift one leg up. One leg up. Very good. And change another leg down. Change another leg. Exhale, inhale. Very good. Ambuja doing very good. Breathe. Now you can breathe normally when you're holding long time. Good. After come back, you relax your wrist. Move your wrist joint. Rotate your wrist 5 times clockwise. 5 times anti-clockwise. Good. And stretch your wrist. Good. Practice one more time. Last round practice. Everybody. Separate your knees. Simha Garjasana. Elbow inside. Exhale completely with a ha sound. Good. Now touch your crown on the floor. Top of the crown on the floor. Yes. Exhale. Without leave the weight, slowly straight your legs one by one. Back to. Try again, one more round. Good. Straight right leg and straight left leg. Keep your head on the floor. Exhale completely. Good. Now rise your head up. Hold the breath. 1, 2. Rise your head up. Archana, rise your head up. Buttocks down, knees up. Okay, Ambuja can lean forward, try to point your toes, and slowly rise your leg one by one, slowly up. Be careful, your nose. Okay. Now the alternative way you practice like this, keep your finger pointing forward. Okay, keep your finger pointing forward. Try this way. Maybe you feel more easier. Some people feel this one more easier. It's opposite way. Try one time. Your finger pointing forward inside your knee. Exhale, same way. Exhale. And then straight your knee, head up. Maybe same way. But only difference, your finger point forward. Finger point forward. Yeah. Balance like a gymnastic. Yes. Keep your legs straight. And some texts call this is Hamsasana. When your finger point forward, it's called Hamsasana. When your finger backward, it's called Mayurasana. Good. So it's the reverse. If you're doing long time, like a finger backward, then you do this Hamsasana, you feel relief from the wrist. All right. Some people feel this one is more easier to balance. Some people feel this is difficult. Which one easy? Both. This one. Some people feel this one easy. And this one actually, when you practice this one, you cannot place your elbow on side of your navel. Your elbow will come on the side of your muscle and the abdomen muscle only. So it's not benefit like a Mayurasana. When you do this, only the elbow go in like this one different. This one just for the side muscle. So actual Mayurasana, you press the this bone, your elbow bone, exactly on the navel. And Hamsasana, your elbow on the side. Like this is a different, like this much gap. Mayurasana, like this. Hamsasana, like this. This one, if those who have muscle on the side, is more easier. Good. Now you can lay down Shavasana, relax sometime. Complete body relaxation. Collapse your body, surrender the whole body to the floor. Concentrate on your navel. There must be a lot of experience after Mayurasana. Feel Manipura chakra awaken. Feel the hot warmth on your navel. In spiritual purpose, Mayurasana awaken the Manipura chakra, stimulate the Manipura chakra, increase the heat in your body, experience the warmth on your navel. Become aware your navel and imagine you're breathing through your navel. Imagine you're breathing through your navel, not through your nose. As you breathe in, the air go through inside your navel. As you breathe out, air coming out from the navel. You are breathing through your navel. As you inhale, the navel expand. Exhale, navel contract. Continue this breathing awareness. Few more rounds. Now stop this practice. Do some deep yoga breath. Inhale from your diaphragm. Continue inhale on your chest to the throat. Exhale completely. Inhale deep yoga breath. Exhale long. Let us chant the Omkara, long Om, the deep yoga breath. Inhale. Enjoy the body relaxation, whole body vibrations after Om. Now slowly become aware of your physical body. Begin to move your fingers, toes. Gently move your head from side to side. Place your left palm on your navel, right hand above your head. Bend your left leg, turn to the right side. When you are ready, gently sit up with the help of your both hands for closing prayer. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ तत्सत्. Practice completed. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you for joining today. Stay. Have a good evening, good day. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you.